Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a gaming logo intro using Adobe After Effects. So in this video we are going to create this animation. So this is the animation we are going to make in this video. First of all, we need all of the stock footage. You can download from the link in video description, and then let's just import all of this footage in After Effects, and then create a new folder and rename it to footage, and let's drag all of them to this folder. Now create a new composition, and I'm going to rename it to main, and I'm going with 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel and 30 frame rate per second and duration 10 seconds. Now click OK. Now from photos folder, let's drag the background to the timeline. So this is our background photos, and now let's drag our logo to the timeline. I'm going to use this logo, but you can use your own logo, and let's press S to open its scale, and I'm going to set it to 90, and now pre-compose it so that we can change our logo anytime. So rename it to logo holder and select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. Now let's drag the footage to in this area. Before that, turn off this and select this. Now go to the first frame and press S, create a keyframe, and then go to last of this frame and make it 110. Now select this folder and go to something like this point, and then drag this footage to here and turn on this. And then select this footage, also pre-compose it. Before that, let's create another footage, new solid, and change this color to white. Now drag this below this footage too, and then drag this to in this area. Now select both of this and pre-compose it, rename it to white footage. Select move all attribute into the new composition. Now from here select the track matte to Loma matte. Now you can see our logo is revealing. Okay, now let's drag the footage one to the timeline and place it above all of this layer and change it to the screen, or you can change it to add, but I am going to with screen. Okay, now select the logo holder, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it above all of this footage, and then press T to open opacity and change its opacity to 10 or maybe 15. I'm going with 10. Now let's create another new solid, and this time let's create black solid, and let's rename it to fade in, Now hit OK, go to the first frame and press T to open opacity and make it 100%. Now go to forward about 5 frame or 1 frame and make it 0. Let's drag this to this point. Now let's see the preview. So this is the animation. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure that you have subscribed my channel and share this video with your friends. And now we have a few steps left. Just we need to add our music to the timeline. So select this music and drag it to the timeline. Okay, now let's export it. To export, go to composition, then select add to render queue. After that, from here select lossless, and then from this format select QuickTime, and as we have added the audio, then turn this audio output on, and from here select AAC, then OK, and from here select is 264, then hit OK. Now to output, just select your folder where you want to save your project, then click save. Now just click on the render button. So this is how we can make a gaming intro video in After Effects. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then again make sure to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. I will back with a new video soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.